Namaskar, myself Dr. Supreet welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 15th February and we'll start with the today's highlight. Under the influence of a fresh western disturbance, isolated rainfall and also snowfall at higher reaches is likely over the western Himalaya region, and also isolated rainfall and thunder showers over plains of northwest India on 17th and 18th February. Now observed weather during past 24 hours. So dense fog where visibility was between 50 to 199 meter were observed from one or two pockets of Odisha, where Chandabali reported dense fog conditions where visibility was reported 50 meters. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing over our region. So the upper air cyclonic circulation over East Equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal extending up to 5.8 km above mean sea level persisted over the same region at today morning. Under its influence, a low pressure area is likely to form over central parts of South Bay of Bengal and adjoining Equatorial Indian Ocean during next 48 hours. Then, as mentioned earlier, a fresh western disturbance is seen as a trough in middle level tropospheric westerlies with its axis at 5.8 km above mean sea level, which is running roughly along longitude 50 degree east to the north of latitude 30 degree north. And then there is also subtropical westerly jet stream with core wind speeds of the order of 140 knots at 12.6 km above mean sea level, continuing to prevailing over North India. Now we'll see the forecast of minimum temperatures or night time temperatures. So gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is likely during next 3 days and fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter over northwest India. And then over western India, there is no significant change in minimum temperatures for next 24 hours, and then gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is also likely thereafter. Apart from that, there is no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over rest part of the country. Now we'll see the forecast of maximum temperatures for next 7 days. For next 5 days, there is no significant change in maximum temperatures during next 5 days, and thereafter gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is forecasted for next 2 days. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for today, that is for day 1. Hot and humid conditions very likely over Konkan and Goa coast and also coastal Karnataka for today, and also for day 2, that is for tomorrow. And tomorrow thunderstorms along with lightning and gusty wind is also forecasted over Nicobar Islands, where yellow warning is issued for Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And for day 3, hot and humid conditions likely only over coastal Karnataka, and thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds continue over Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Yellow warning is given for that for day 3. For day 4 and day 5, thunderstorm and lightning and gusty winds warnings continues over Andaman and Nicobar Islands. For day 6 and day 7, there are no significant weather warning for as of now. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.